Hello there, it's Himanko here, and today I'm going to show you how to create recipes in Recruiterflow. Recipes are a simple way to automate your repetitive tasks. You can set triggers to take certain actions in the system. Want to send an automated disqualification email to all the candidates who are disqualified from a stage? Just create a recipe. So to create the recipe, just head over to the recipes page here, click on add new recipe. Give a name to the recipe. Let's say I want a disqualification email for the candidates disqualified from the applied stage. Next, I'll add a trigger. Triggers are a set of conditions that will initiate the action. There are four types of triggers that you can set in Recruiterflow. You can define multiple triggers in one recipe itself. The action will be taken even if one of the trigger condition is satisfied. If there is a candidate who satisfies all the triggers in the recipe, the action will be taken just once. Next, I can also choose to add a filter. A filter makes sure that the recipe runs only on a certain category of the candidates. Let's say I want the disqualification emails to be sent only to the candidates who applied from the careers side. Next, choose what's the action you want the system to take. There are five types of actions you can ask Recruiterflow to take. Move candidate stage, send an email, add to a campaign, send a text message, and you can create a task. I'll select to send an email and choose to send emails to candidates. After this, you can either compose the emails or just select the template to send the email. You can also choose to add an optional delay for the emails for a specific time after the trigger has occurred. And once you have set up the recipe, just hit save recipe. And that's about it, guys. Now let Recruiterflow take care of your repetitive tasks. If you need any help with this, reach out to us over here in the live chat. Have a good day ahead, guys. Bye bye.